Hello and welcome to e-education. Hi friends, today in this segment we will revise our daily current affairs through MCQ and explanation. Okay, so let's start today's session. If you are preparing for any competitive exam such as SSC, railway, banking or any state exam, you can follow our Telegram channel for latest PDF of these videos and another segment also. You can follow our Instagram channel, our Facebook page also for regular updates, and do subscribe this channel if you didn't tell. Okay, so let's start today's session. First question: consider the following state that has launched the accelerated program called REVAV. Option A Telangana, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C West Bengal, option D Kerala, and option E Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the correct option will option A, that is Telangana. Okay, now let's see. Telangana government has launched the Telangana AI mission, that is Artificial Intelligence Mission, powered by NASSCOM, as a part of the TM, an accelerated program called REVAV that has been launched to enable and empower AI startups. Okay, now move on to the next question. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the budgetary support of DES for IDX-DO for the next 5 years. Option A 298.8 crore, option B 398.8 crore, option C 498.8 crore, and option D 598.8 crore, option E 698.8 crore. So here the correct option will option B, and that is 398.8 crore. Okay, so Defense Minister Rajnath Singh approved the budget of 398.8 crore for IDX-DO for the next 5 years. Okay, now move on to the next question. What is the theme of World Day of Combat Desertification and Drought 2021? Option A, let's grow the future together. Option B, land has true value, invest in it. Option C, food, feed, fiber, the links between consumption and land. Option D, restoration, land recovery, we build back better with healthy land. And option E, link between land and degradation and migration. Okay, so the correct answer will option D, that is restoration, land recovery, we build back better with healthy land is the theme of World Day of Combat Desertification and Drought 2021. Okay, now let's see the next question. Which company has recently got approval from regular IRDAI to undertake insurance broking? Option A Policy Bazaar, option B Bharat Pay, option C Tata Digital, and option D Pay Karo, and option E Echo. Okay, so the correct answer is Policy Bazaar. Okay, so Policy Bazaar has recently got approval from regulator IRDAI to undertake insurance broking. Okay, let's see the next question. With which organization India has signed a $484 million loan to upgrade road network in Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor in Tamil Nadu? Option A World Bank, option B International Monetary Fund, option C ASEAN Development Bank, and option D Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, option E New Development Bank. Okay, so here the correct option will option C, that is Asian Development Bank. Okay, so Asian Development Bank give India 484 4 million loan to upgrade road network in Chennai and Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor in Tamil Nadu. Okay, let's see the next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed to the which number of edition of Vivatech? Okay, let's see. Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth, and option E fifth. Okay, so the correct answer will option E, that is fifth. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed to the fifth edition of Vivatech, and Vivatech is one of the largest digital and startups event in Europe, held in Paris every year since 2016. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of Conference of BRICS Network Universities in 2021? So what is the theme of BRICS Conference Network of Universities 2021? Option A, Partnership for Global Stability, Security and Prosperity. Option B, Unlocking BRICS Universities. Option C, Programmatic Cooperation and International Education. Option D, Building Responsive, Inclusive and Collective. And option E, Electronic Mobility. Okay. So the correct option will option E, that is electronic mobility. Let's see the next question. Which of the following country expanded nuclear arsenal according to the SIPRI Yearbook 2021? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, Pakistan. Option D, all of the above. And option E, none of this. Okay. So let's see the correct answer. So the correct answer is all of the above. Okay. What is, let's see the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, that is also called SIPRI. So you should remember this full name of the abbreviation, and that has launched the SIPRI Yearbook 2021. The report assesses the current state of armament, disarmament and international security. China is in the middle of the significant modernization and expansion of its nuclear weapon inventory, and India and Pakistan also appear to expanding their nuclear arsenals. Okay, arsenal is a place where arms can store, a warehouse of arms, that is called arsenals. Okay, let's see the next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft? Okay. Option A, Judson Althoff. Option B, Satya Nadella. Option C, Steve Ballmer. Option D, John W. Thompson. And option E, Dina Dublin. Okay. So the correct option is Satya Nadella. So Satya Nadella has been appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft. Option C is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Who hosts the Conference of BRICS Network Universities 2021? Option A, IIT Delhi. Option B, IIT Ropar. Option C, IIT Bombay. And option D, IIT Dhanbad. Option E, IIT Madras. So here the correct option is option C, IIT Bombay hosts the Conference of BRICS Network Universities 2021. Okay. So these are all for this segment. If you didn't subscribe our channel till now, do subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.